So one is to be basics. One is the challenges first we'll talk. One is the challenge is standardization of the equipments, right from sockets. Like give an example, Type C for all the laptops. It took ages for them to all the OEMs across to come up with a Type C charger for all of them. So that's one of the basic. That is what is expected from the industry OEMs to make things ESG compliant, because then same charger, same sockets can be used irrespective of the equipment, right? That's one thing. Second, from a challenges perspective, would be on the basically comprehensive versus non-comprehensive AMCs that we talk about. So wherein the OEMs can themselves take the post-sale services, and if that is the case, then can they use AI to make it better from a customer perspective, so that we don't have to take it reactively, but then proactively and predictive way of doing it. And that's when I think so AI and IoT devices can assist. And that's one aspect. And the second aspect would be on the integration portion of it. So wherein you can't take, or you can't scrap the old entire setup of one infrastructure and come up with a new one whenever the new technology changes. But then the new technology should be able to merge and liaise and integrate with the existing technologies to keep them updated. And that's what I think so is the two things that we are focusing on and we need to look upon as industry leaders. First come first again. So basics we do not forget. One is planning. So we should know why we are buying the test set. Why is it giving value to that? Can we not outsource it? Is if we outsource it, can we give value? That's one aspect. Second is, if we need to, let's say, buy, then what are the things that we have to see, whether which would be foresee. So as a OEM, this one, they need to tell us how the future looks like, because as a buyer, we may not be equipped to understand how the future moves on. At the same time, as a CSI or as a IT veteran, we need to be aware of, abreast of how things are moving ahead, and we should know what after 2 years, 3 years, or 3 years, how things will shape up. So these are the things that I think so we as industry leaders need to focus upon.